So to start off, there's a question: what's a unit test? Well, it depends. It can be viewed as a very ambiguous term, what you mean if you're talking about a unit test or an integration test. But we want to focus on the testing part. And then the units will then help us narrow down some of our focus, in particular with respect to the speed of the feedback. When I'm running a test, I want to be able to know if something's correct fairly quickly. So I want to have a bottom line of tests and structure that I want to work around, saying to ensure that high quality software and prevent regressions, I'm going to write and run unit tests to verify the public behavior quickly, automatically, hermetically, and during the build of a deployable artifact. The biggest thing I think to get out of a test pyramid like this is the speed that you're getting. You want a lot of very fast tests and not as many very slow tests. If you can do it quickly, if you can do it cheaply, and you can run it in an automated fashion, then write a lot of them. Include that as part of your standard development.
I think it's important to talk a little bit about we're writing more code in order to test the code that's actually being used in the system. And doesn't that take more time? When a high-rise is being built, there's scaffolding that needs to be built all around the high-rise. None of that is part of the high-rise, but it still needs to be built in order to make the high-rise go up safely. And that's the way I kind of view unit tests. It's not part of the thing you're building, but it's part of what you need in order to make the thing you're building effective.
The other kind of like existential benefit of it is it shows up in the reduced number of times that we ever have to talk about it again. If it goes out there and it works, and we haven't talked about it in 6 months, and it's just doing its thing, that is like the hallmark of success for testing, in my opinion.